I might be late, but I have tested the ChatGPT 5 for 24 hours. Now I'm gonna give you an honest review that people are just giving it hype to get some views, or is it really powerful that justify the things? I'm gonna test everything live here, so you guys gonna see that what are the pros and what are the cons. The fourth thing which we are going to test here, first of all, I'm gonna give it task to write an essay like assignment, and the second thing, I'm gonna give it task to write a business plan for my startup, and the third thing which they are claiming the main feature, I'm gonna test it to make any digital app or any 2D 3D game. And the fourth last important thing that everyone claiming that now you can connect your Gmail, calendar, GitHub with it, and it's gonna control everything. You can see messages, you can send emails through ChatGPT interface. We're gonna test everything. Let's go. Here's the interface of ChatGPT 5 and it's very colorful. Let's first test it, and we're gonna test it by writing the essay. Now I'm giving it a prompt, write an essay about building a startup in 2025. Okay, before I just press the enter, I have to turn my timer on because people are claiming that it's like 50 times faster than ChatGPT 4. Now I turned on the timer because people are claiming that it's 50% faster than ChatGPT 4. We're gonna test it, and I'm gonna enter it, and I'm gonna also start the thing. You can, yep, start writing, and it's like pretty fast, looks like. But we're gonna take the final decision like after every test, and you're gonna say that it's 12 seconds. So 2 seconds are like a little bit got delayed to like turn it off. So it's around 12 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna like check its response, and building a startup in 20 opportunities, challenge, AI startup, global talent. It covered everything. So now I'm gonna copy the same prompt and I'm gonna give it to the ChatGPT 4. Now it's time to test ChatGPT 4.0. You can see that I have selected a 4.0, and let's give it a prompt, and I'm going to just put it before. Let's give it a prompt. I've just entered it. You can see that write an essay about building a startup in 2025. Before I push enter, I have started the timer, and here I put enter, and it's taking time and writing, started writing, and started writing, and it's doing good. Okay. You can see that almost 13.5 second. There's about like 1.5 second difference. People are saying that there's a 50% difference in the speed, but we're gonna continuously test it. Now we're gonna go to the GPT-5 and we're gonna test to try to build a digital app or a small game. Let's build a small game. You can see that I'm on GPT-5. I'm writing a prompt. Let's build a Floppy Bird 2D game with all features. I'm just going to put the enter, but before that I'm gonna reset the timer. I'm gonna start it, and here I'm gonna put the enter. And it's taking time, and it's trying to build it and thinking, go faster, you have to win. Because the hype which is right now in the market, and they are like pretending like ChatGPT 5 is like super duper like good, but I'm gonna tell you the real thing. You guys also know about the Claude by Anthropic. So if you haven't used it, you guys should have to try it. Just writing the code, it's around 100 lines and like 120 lines, and let's see the timer. It's a 44 seconds. Hope so it's make like something good, like so we can say that it's really good. It's writing, continuously writing. It almost crossed 300 lines and still it's not stopping. Like obviously it's making a game, so obviously the code should be like a high number of line. And there's also like a complexity in it, but we will wait. It's almost completed, and it's 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna stop it. It's around 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes to make this game, and it's around 450 lines. And let's run it. You can see that there is one more addition in that. There is a button on the like top right corner, which is like to run a code. And like GPT-4, that was not available. Let's see it. I just clicked on it. And you can see that there is an interface in it, and there's a button to start, pause, space. Let's click on the play. Okay, let's try it. Okay, it's going to play with the mouse, and it's actually working, guys. It's actually working. There is little bit like a need to improvement, but we can do it. But it's working. It made a complete game, and like in 2 minutes, and obviously in the interface we can like view it. Now that's the same prompt in GPT-4. And I'm going on GPT-4, and there's a model 4.0 selected. I just paste the prompt here, and I'm adding one more word. Give it in canvas. here. And now I'm going to run it. Before that, I have to reset the timer, and I'm going to start it. And here I just push the enter. Let's see. It's writing. Started writing the code. Feel like it's like more faster. So seems like that. You can see the speed, guys. The basic oh, okay. So now there is one problem. We can't like preview it here. There is no option to preview it on ChatGPT 4, but GPT-5 gave the preview option that we're gonna preview it and play the game and see what we need to improve. But there's no preview option, and also it gave around like 100-line code. So it's just made a very basic app, very basic game. So we can't be able to like run it here. So this is like a major difference. Let's go for the second main thing, the image generation thing, the thumbnail generation thing. And because when the thumbnail generation feature came in the market, there was a like big hype. And we're going to compare GPT-5 with the 4. I'm going to go to the GPT-5 and let's give it same prompt, make a thumbnail on topic is GPT-5 Gold Launcher. So I give it a prompt to the bot. Let's see what the answer we get. I'm going to like... Okay, it started making, GPT-5 started making the thumbnail, and also the GPT-4 asking me that these are the things I want to include. I say like, okay, make it. Okay, make it. Let's see. Let's see. Like, who gonna win? Tell me in the comments. I believe so, like GPT-5. Let's test it. GPT 4.1. Make a thumbnail. So the result of GPT-5 came, and you can see that the thumbnail which is generated, it's not actually thumbnail size, but kind of like a Instagram type of image, but it's looking elegant, not bad, but not like too good like a thumbnail. On the other side, you can see the difference of GPT-4o, and it's kind of look like a thumbnail, and I think so like GPT-4o wins in that situation. And I also read like some article and people are like complaining that GPT-5 is not that good in image generation as compared to GPT-4o. So that's point go to like a GPT-4o. Let's go for the last feature, which have like more hype, that you can connect like multiple tools with it, like Gmail and all other stuff. And we have to click on the profile, click on the settings, and here you can see a one more option, which is like connectors. And in connector you can see multiple like few apps, like common apps like Dropbox, Gmail, Canva, Google Calendar. Let's connect it and see that it's working or not, or it's just a hype. I'm gonna select the Google Calendar, but before connecting it, I'm gonna tell you guys about one thing. Like right now it's super viral on the LinkedIn. If you just check the LinkedIn, you will get to know that there is one tool which came in the market called tryecho.io, and it's helped various people to actually write viral posts. I tried myself and it's like super good. I just love to share information, so I thought you must try it. You can see the LinkedIn people like talking a lot about it. And one more tool like Runway for like a video generation, and its competitor is like Kling AI. It's also for video generation. You should have to explore like various AI tools, because you know the world is changing. If we don't like consume AI stuff and we don't like practice it, we're gonna be like chance that we're gonna be replaced. So let's connect it. Google Calendar, and I'm gonna click on connect. Let's say what to do, and saying you continue to Google Calendar. Okay, I'm ready, I'm excited. Saying to select the profile, I'm selecting it. That's fine. That's gonna be like so good if it's working right now. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, now saying Google Calendar is now connected. Let's test it. Okay, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna ask, show my meetings today from my Google Calendar. Okay, I can directly pull your Google Calendar unless you already connected to the ChatGPT and given it access. Okay, if it's connected, you can simply say something like show me today's meeting. Okay, let's say show me today's meeting. It's like I can see your calendar right now. It's not linked to GPT. Let's go back and find out why it's saying that. Customize. I'm gonna back settings. Okay, calendar, Google Calendar, and say then connected. Now I'm going to tell you that why it's not accessing. It's because that it's only be accessible in the agent mode. You can see that here. If you read it, deep search agent mode. only it can be accessible in the agent mode, and agent mode is only available in like the pro. And to get the pro, we have to click on upgrade, and it's a 200 USD, and there is a like you can get the agent mode in it. So the crux is that if you give ChatGPT $200, then you can be able to use that feature. So for normal users, that feature is like right now useless. So what's your review on that? So now I'm going to give my honest and overall review. The review is that the hype is like literally so much because people just want to make videos and get some interactions. But if we test the features and all other thing, it's not like extraordinary. It's good they added some feature, but if you know the Claude already have a feature of like you can preview thing. Claude already have a feature to write very good content. So I can say that it's good they are adding feature, but it's not something that got a lot of hype. So hope so they will like add more and more features, and it's gonna be like obviously improved with time. So one last advice for you guys: learn about AI. AI is everything. If you need any AI guide or GPT-5 link, just comment guide. I will send you. Thank you.